Xbox brownies. All the ingredients: white chocolate lotus. All of them together, all the ingredients together. Butter, 200 grams. Melt it in the microwave. Add 3 teaspoons of honey. Separate bowl, 275 grams sugar. 3 eggs blend together to light and fluffy. Flour, 121 grams of flour. Add it in. Obviously include the butter and honey as well. Add 60 grams of cocoa powder. Add some white chocolate buttons as well, and a lump of lotus buttons, lotus spread. Put in a tray, add some more chocolate for toppings. Into the oven at 180 for 25 minutes. Make the icing with the green paste, making it an Xbox cutter. There they are, done. Now do the pie pin, decoration, job done. Yay.